Hello and welcome to 100 News. This is Tulika Pandey. Today we are at the store launch, flagship store launch of Lawrence and Mayo, and we can see this luxury store and all the eyeglasses that is around us. And I would tell you one thing, that we are standing at the luxury segment right now, wherein if you look at some of the sunglasses, they're actually in gold and you can customize them. We have, may I have your name, please?
My name is Menaka Mendonca.
Okay, we have Menaka with us. We'll talk to her and we'll come to know more about this particular brand and how it's working. What kind of glasses we have and how can someone customize that?
Sure. Hi. So this is our luxury section. This is a super luxury section for our very discerning luxury clientele. So we are one of the authorized dealers for few of these brands which are only sold through authorized distribution. So we have like the Cartier, Lindbergh, Maybach, Tom Ford, Bentley, Dita, and these are some pure gold frames that we handcraft, get them done, customized as
Can we
per.
see one of them?
Sure, we can see. So these are pure gold frames. So a lot of people choose them when they want to customize, especially for their weddings, bridegrooms, the fathers. I mean, anyone who wants to wear a bit of eyewear. Keeping in mind jewelry is normally for the women, so I mean a little bit pure gold for the men as well. So there's an entire collection.
Like how much carat is
Yes,
it?
so it is between 18 and 18 carat. 18 carat because of the craftsmanship they have to mold it. It's hallmarked jewelry and the weight of the gold is mentioned. Okay, so that will be given to the customer, and there are various options as we have from about 1,50,000 here till about 4 lakhs depending on the weight of gold.
Okay.
Yes, so this is
So everything, talking about the like the nose
whatever
ring,
gold you can see is pure gold.
everything that we see in gold color is
Gold
actually
color
gold.
is the pure gold.
Okay.
Yes.
Talking about these segment where
So this is Maybach and Bentley, totally inspired by the luxury cars. I mean, everybody is familiar with it. So their eyewear is equally symbolic. So you have all the the Bentley, what comes on their dashboard, their sign. It is come on to their frames as well. This is Maybach with the iconic Maybach logo. So
is it also gold or
no, these are not gold. These are just gold plated, but not gold.
okay,
These are more luxury because of the brand heritage and legacy that it carries.
okay, we see lots of eyeglasses over here.
Yes.
Are all of these unisex, or some of them is for men and some of them is for women?
A lot of them are unisex, but these are mostly a male collection. Okay, what you see here is a male collection. The pure gold can be customized because the lens is customized to whatever shape. So a lady can also wear these. These are worn by both men and women. Any rimless ones can be customized for both men and women. The other ones are mostly male. Then we come to the Tom Ford. This is a nice iconic brand which is very symbolic because of the T part which they have here.
This is the elevator.
This is not the elevator, but we have, few of their iconic models over here. There was a particular model, maybe it's been taken out of the one that Rajinikanth wore for Jailer. Okay, so it was also bought at our store from Chennai. So that's very much available and one of the trending pieces. This we come to the Cartier collection. So you have you have your Panther collection. So you can see the Panther, which comes with the logo, which is enamel specs here. These are one of the most iconic collections. So
Basically,
yeah,
the detailing has been
detailing.
taken care of much more.
Yes. So this is what we have in this section. Outside, what we have is a wide collection of brands ranging from your Prada, Persol. Persol, a lot of artists, photographers, a lot of people only buy Persol for the brand, equity that it has. Then we come to the more ladies section, the more fashionable, Tiffany, Jimmy Choo, Coach, Michael Kors. I mean, so it's got their logos and stuff, which then we come to the popular side, the men's new collection, where we have new brands like Akoni, Philip Line, then of course the classical Mont Blanc. There's a new brand called Theo, which has got very nice eclectic shapes and colors. You all can probably see it out there. We also have another 3D printed kind of technology, which is something called Stones 3D. So it's entirely by the 3D printed technology, so you can customize it by the colors. You can even get your name inscribed in there and customized. So if you're gifting it to somebody, so that is something.
So right now we are in Delhi, and the Delhi weather condition Everyone is aware,
everyone.
and at that
Everyone
point
needs
of
to have-
time, aviator
yes,
is something that we all would be looking forward.
Yes.
So tell me about this.
So we have the entire your Ray-Ban collection here, which has your classics from your aviators to your wayfarers and things. You have a option between polarized and non-polarized. So your non-polarized versions will be from about 8.5, and the polarized versions, which would be a little more good on your clarity and protection, that would be about 10,000 plus.
Can it be customized?
Yes,
with, the
with your
and all?
power. So you can have the same Ray-Ban customized with your power. We also have the option of actually customizing it from Ray-Ban itself, so that even with your power, you will still, normally when we have the power, you will get a lens with the power. But this will come from Ray-Ban itself. So you will get the Ray-Ban itself inscribed on even a powered lens.
So will it also affect the consumer's pocket? Because it has the branding name.
If the branding comes from there, a little bit more because it's coming from Ray-Ban. But of course, at the store, it's the whatever lens you choose according to the tint or color and the brand of lenses. So we have all the lens big houses of lens manufacturing companies from your SLR, Zeiss, Nikon, etc., which we can dispense over here, and the team will show you all different options and prescribe what is best for as per your need.
Okay. As a consumer, I am also wearing an eyeglasses. Okay, this is the eyeglass that I have.
Yes.
This is a normal eyeglass
Yes.
from a local store maybe.
Sure.
So tell me, what is the difference between this eyeglass and a luxury eyeglass that we'll be getting here?
So trend-wise and fashion-wise, it's. I mean, this could be as trendy or as fashion on point as what we have. What would be just the differences that they come from a brand. So a brand of Burberry or a brand of Persol. So you will get the quality and the legacy and heritage that the brand themselves promise. So it stands for maybe a little more long-lasting and something that it's a classic. It remains in your collector's piece as an accessory, not just for the 1 year. Even if you take out that same Burberry after 5 years and wear it, it'll be as iconic.
Does it more soothing to the eye compared to the normal eyeglasses?
Maybe if a sunglasses, if we buy it from maybe just off the street store or something, maybe then the level of protection would be different. Then we cannot guarantee the same level of protection of a sunglass. But any authentic brand, the eye protection which you get from the UV rays will be at least a guarantee because it's from a brand.